The Vevor 980W magnetic drill press is a high-performance machine designed specifically for speedy, precise drilling with its powerful 980-watt motor and an optimized rotation speed of 680 revolutions per minute. This drill press is capable of handling heavy-duty industrial and steel fabrication work, thanks to its robust magnetic adhesion of 2,250 pounds. The Vevor Magnetic Drill Press is user-friendly, with an electromagnetic base that can be easily controlled by a switch to engage or disengage the magnet and drill. The drill press is not only powerful but also portable and lightweight, making it a convenient tool for various fields such as steel structure, shipbuilding, railway manufacturing, and more. It comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including a rust-proof stainless steel cooling pot and a pilot pin, adding to its versatility and utility. The thoughtful design of this drill press includes an ergonomic handle for comfortable grip and operation, and a cooling system to prevent overheating during use.